Okay guys, so I got the code, I believe it's P0171, which is a leak. So what I did is I tried my best to cover up the hole, the intake here. And then what I also did was get this multi-transfer pump from Harbor Freight. What I'm gonna do is, I got some Swisher sheets right here. I'm gonna stick this into this end, light it up. And then this, I took this off right here, which was this little part right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this end, and you can see it fits perfectly in there. Just shove it in there. See? And then I'm gonna have my grandpa hold this side, light it up. I'm gonna light it up, and I'm just gonna pump the smoke in there. Hopefully it gives me some kind of leak. What should happen is the smoke should be coming out from a leak if there is a leak. I'm sure there is a leak because I'm getting the code. I already checked the fittings. I visually checked the fittings and all that. And but let's see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get my grandpa, put this in here and light it up, and then I'm gonna start pumping the pump, and hopefully I can find something. If not, it's probably gonna be in the exhaust or something, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try that. No smoke anywhere. If we take this off,
Sí, por ahí sale, mira.
ahí sale, ¿verdad?
Sí, pues sí.
Pero está tapado. No, no, sí, eso no está bien. Pero no sale por otra parte, ¿verdad?
No. No.
No smoke anywhere.
Mira, no sale. Está bien sellado.
Entonces, ¿por qué me da ese código? No. I think we found some smoke coming out of there. Mira.
Por aquí.
¿Lo miras?
It's
hard to tell.
Aquí la tapa está. Por aquí sale.
Como que está roto aquí, ¿verdad?
Pues no sé.
Mira.
Hey.
It's hard to tell on the picture and the video, but there you go. Like, you see that smoke coming out of there? Ahí es,
Ahí es, mira. Sí salía, ahí sale.
Okay, guys, so here, this is where the leak was coming from. And what I did here is I put some gasket maker. See if that fixes the code. And so what I did is I just put some gasket maker, and I kind of just try to push it in. I'm letting that dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more. I even went all over here just in case the air tries to go out through this way and this way. If this doesn't fix the problem, I mean, I'll probably just make an intake that goes from the throttle body all the way to the intake box. Just put like an aluminum pipe or something, and then just connect the hose to it, you know. But I'm just gonna give it some time to dry up, and then I'm gonna try the test again and see if it still leaks air from there. So this pump really from Harbor Freight really put in work, because this fitting right here is actually the same size as this one. So you just stick it on there. You put the cigar at the end. I put a little bit of tape just to hold it, and then just light it up and just pump it. Okay, so here it goes. Put gasket, make it all the way across. And then right here I'm pumping. As you can see, nothing else is coming out no more. It's all sealed up. Got the cigar going on. Looks good to me. This gasket maker is temporarily Probably put something else after. I don't know. Seal it up nice. But hopefully that fixed the problem. I don't see any other leak anywhere else. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like and a subscribe, and to help you out, if you're getting the same code, I recommend you guys try this. This was like $6 today because it was a 30% off. And then the cigars were like $1, like almost $2. So you won't have to spend money on a fancy machine, or even to get a mechanic going to your house is not cheap. So hope it helped. If it did, give me a like, please. I appreciate it. Or leave a comment. Let me know if this helped you. Appreciate it.